Just want to shoot a real quick video. I know some of you all have seen this on your timeline and your social media. It's a new service that people are offering. It's where you can get more reviews. You can get more reviews for your business. Just show you a quick do-it-yourself type video so you can make one of these at home. This is a plastic stand, has an NFC tag on it, and this is graphics on whatever type of paper you want to put it on that you can make for your business. These things here you can do yourself. You don't necessarily need a person. You can go to Canva or whatever graphic service that you use and make up whatever statement that you want to use here. Just put this simple here. You can design this whatever you want it to say here yourself. Some directions for the people. Tap your phone here, scan me here. Of course, remember for your phones, remember for Apples, you'll tap at the top. For Androids, it'll be right here in the middle, in this area on the back that you'll tap it. And of course, you can go ahead and you have the QR code where you could scan with your camera or barcode reader app, but you can scan it with it. You don't need anything extra. Just scan it with your phone. It'll take you to whatever address that you put it in. If you want to take it straight to your Google My Business page where they leave reviews, you just create a QR code with that address attached to the QR code. It'll go there. The NFC tag that's on the back, you can just simply order one of those offline and then program it with a NFC tool app, and it'll go directly to where you want it to go. Like I said, this is a piece of paper. There's a 4x6 clear plastic stand. You can order those offline, and you can order the tags offline. So that's pretty simple, real quick.